Layla, what are you doing? Lelice, šta radiš?
Dog. It's a dog or a sleepy mama.
Doc has glasses. Sleepy has sleepy eyes.
Sleepy banana on the truck. Sleepy. This is sleepy too. Sleepy banana or sleepy the grandkid. Now you're sitting. Alright.
Koja je to princeza, Layla? Koja princeza je to? Which princess is that?
I read them the last story, but I remember I read soccer. I'm gonna go get a tissue.
Go get a tissue, huh?
I'll come again, so I separate. I'll be right back.
Hi! Hey! See? You shouldn't be running, Layla. Hi, Benjamin. Hi. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Yeah, where's my smile? Yeah. Kako si ti živahan, pa šta to radiš? Pa šta to radiš? Pa šta imaš to? Šta?
Can I go into the jumpy pit?
Pa ne može danas, vodio te tata 2 dana.
Why?
Zato što tata radi danas.
No, he's not.
Tata danas radi.
I told Daddy about. Is this the old one?
Hajde, daj mami poljubac i ovako, da vidi mama. Oh!
Can I see?
Yeah, when I'm finished recording, daj još jedan poljubac. I big smile.
Can I see?
Pa ne možeš sad. Čekaj, mama završi. Mama završi da snima i onda možeš da vidiš. Hi, i come stiži. Kome se? Pazi kafa. Vidiš što se brat pretvara, kako fol kašla. Vidiš, ko bajagi. Isto ti braca gleda pidžamu.
He has pajamas too.
Ali tvoja pidžama je šarena. Da ti se smije. Hoćeš da kakiš, ne možeš da kakiš, a?
I'm clutching baby on my hand.
Layla, ne mogu ga stiskat, sine. Are you okay? Da boli te?
No.
Oh, Layla. Are you done? Did you do it? I think Daddy's here. Go look. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run.
Daddy's here, baby. Daddy's here. He's gonna hold my hand and I'm gonna push. He's strong.
All right, let's open the door for Daddy. Say bye.